Hi, I'm Tom, and today I'm going to show you how to use the future perfect continuous. When we use the future perfect continuous, we imagine ourselves at a point in the future, and we then talk about a continuing action which leads to this point. Let's practice. At the start of the next scene, I will have been eating noodles for 5 minutes. See, it's nearly finished. We make this tense using subject, will have been, plus verb ing. For example, at lunchtime, I will have been working for 4 hours. And we can also use won't to make the tense negative.